What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a wireless DMX controller to your MINI RF4 lights. For that setup, I'm going to make sure that both of my lights are on and turn on my DMX controller. I'm then going to want to make sure that my lights are set to the same RF group by short pressing the power button. So for today, let's set them to the red RF group. Then I want to make sure that my controller is set to the same RF group as well. After that, I'm going to want to double press the power button on each light so that we activate slave mode. After that, you'll see the RF lights blink twice, letting us know the lights are in slave mode. And lastly, I'm going to want to activate scanner 1 on my DMX controller. So now we can go through each fader and see what they do for our lights. Fader 1 will set the overall brightness for our lights, so for today, let's raise that all the way up. Next, we have fader 2 to control the red LEDs, so the more I raise that, the more red you'll see coming through. Next, we have fader 3 to control the green LEDs, fader 4 to control the blue LEDs, fader 5 to control the white LEDs, fader 6 to control the amber LEDs, and fader 7 to control the ultraviolet LEDs. So we can use faders 2 through 7 to set our light to a single color, or we can mix and match these faders to make a customized color. So for example, I can raise a bit of fader 2, a little bit of fader 4, and then fader 6, and then all of a sudden I have a customized color. Next to that, we have fader 8 to control the strobe for the light, so the more I raise it, the more the lights will start strobing. Now fader 9 is really cool because it will activate a preset mode depending on where we leave the fader. So for example, if I set this fader anywhere from 120 to 159, it's going to activate the color pulse mode. And lastly, we have fader 10 to control the speed for these modes, so the more I raise it in the color pulse mode, the faster the colors will pulse. If you ever get confused, you can refer to the DMX guide to see which fader does what, and which values activate which mode for fader 9, which you can also refer to using the screen on your DMX controller. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up a wireless DMX controller with your MINI RF4 lights. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.